Well, another episode, King in the Garden. And let's get back to basics this time. I will encourage anyone and everyone, get a home garden. Why? Well, this year is proving a good reason why. Inflation through the roof, obviously the cost of just fresh fruits and vegetables. Although we haven't felt that one much, I think the news the other day reported like a 6% increase. There was quite a few stories that went with that was telling us to be more like a 40 or 50% increase on all our favorite tomatoes and cucumbers and things like that. So I'm going to encourage you, start your own garden. It is very, very easy. It is, of course, a little tough, so don't let me lie to you when I say it's really easy, but it is kind of easy because it pays off in the end. And I tell you, I'm a guy who, my daddy taught me, we grew everything from seed. I grew up in a small town called Adrian up in Michigan, my first 14 years, and it was funny because as a kid, I wasn't much for gardening, but as I grew up, I realized, that was actually kind of fun. Our kids' garden, my two grandsons that stay here on the property also come out and help Grandpa in the garden. That means something to me. And I tell you, you can get these little peat pots, which is my favorite thing to do. It's made of paper, so it's 100% biodegradable. If you can, stay away from plastic pots, obviously, because they're plastic. I love planting everything in my peat pot. I'll use a little bit of the soil out of my garden or what comes in the compost as it breaks down. And I buy everything via seed. Now, I'm going to pick on the company I use because they're from my home state of Michigan, and they're called Bay City Seed and Feed. I love them, and one of the main reasons I love them, well, one, I guess you can buy everything in bulk, as you can see here, but nothing they have are treated or GMO'd and, changed and scientifically this and that added. No, it gets right back down to the way our grandparents used to garden. And that's one thing I love about gardening is I grow everything from seed. And I feel proud about that because when my wife and I are out and the kids help us, the grandkids, just seeing all that go in the dirt, and then several weeks later as it starts to poke its little ears out. But here's my suggestion. Get some peat pots. You do not, of course, have to buy vegetables in bulk, or at least the seeds like I do. But, of course, we grow a lot of garden, and I grow year-round best I can. And then get yourself just a little box. As you can see, my box is plumb full of all those little goodies, from squashes to dill to, well, it looks like carrots and radishes in there. And if you can't get yourself a little box, put it up on the shelf in the pantry, pull it down when it's time to plant. Add your favorite soil of seed. Let it start growing in the windowsill. And then after a few weeks, stick it out in the yard and see what happens. See if that wouldn't be some extras to get the family involved, the kids, the grandkids, have them come out. And so that's just me wanting to preach a little bit of why I love gardening. And I appreciate you few who have reached out and asked us to come visit your garden. And remember, we're in Houston, so I'm not traveling to New York City to come see your garden. You can send me the pictures, and I appreciate that, but I don't want to fly up there. Although my wife just said that we do fly first class. Hint, hint, if you're interested in getting us up there. Okay. Or at least first class. Nothing less than first class. Ain't that right? That's right. So continue to ask us to come out. I cannot wait. We're going to start doing that late April, early May, when the gardens are really green and the vegetables are starting to come through and the bees are buzzing around and the birds are chirping in your garden. We would love to come and spend a half an hour or an hour with you, videoing it, putting it on our YouTube channel, on our Twitter channel. But that's it. Stick with us. I'm going to do my best to entertain you guys all season long, doing just what we love to do most, and that's gardening. And we're going to work out a program with maybe we could start coming to your house and build you a garden and get your little ones involved, husband, wife, grandparents, whoever. I thank you very much for tuning in. King in the Garden TX. You can watch it right here on Twitter. You can watch it on our YouTube channel, and I love it, and I thank you so much. Keep sending in the emails, the text messages, the requests. That's all. Thank you.